San Francisco is set to take advantage of a new state law that will allow police to crack down on illegal street vending. This has been a particular problem in the Mission District. Obviously, stolen products being sold, competing with legally operating street vendors. It has even, in some cases, led to violence. Today, the bill's author, State Senator Scott Wiener, joined San Francisco Mayor Daniel Lurie to talk about the new law that was just signed by Governor Newsom.
Organized crime started pushing our legitimate street vendors out.
To bring our city back, people must be safe, and they must feel safe.
Our Kelsi Thorud talked to a small business advocate about how this will make a difference for people trying to sell things legally.
William Ortiz Cartagena has been working for years to help the smallest of small business owners in the Mission, street vendors.
We can help anywhere from permit to reviewing leases to helping with sales tax.
Street vendors have long been a staple in this neighborhood, lining Mission Street from 24th to 14th. But in recent years, William says the number of illegal vendors selling stolen goods has skyrocketed.
There'd be wares of, stuff stolen from Walgreens, CVS, Target. You'd have people set up with Home Depot, boxes of Home Depot, brand new DeWalt's, Makitas. Like, I can't even explain it because it's unreal. Like, AI couldn't even come up with something to describe it.
At one point, the problem got so bad that not only were real legitimate vendors and shop owners losing money, they were also being threatened with violence.
It was very scary where our street vendors weren't feeling safe to vend in the street.
The only action the city could take against these illegal vendors was handing out citations from the Department of Public Works, since a 2018 state law decriminalized street vending. But that didn't account for the rampant rise in illegal vending after the pandemic. In 2023, the city implemented a temporary ban on street vending on a stretch of Mission Street, but that received pushback from legal vendors. Now, a bill pushed through the state legislature by Senator Scott Wiener and just signed into law by Governor Newsom allows police to get involved.
We'll give the city of San Francisco, the mayor, the board of supervisors, San Francisco Police Department an additional tool to hold accountable and to address this issue and to put a stop to the sale of stolen goods.
Under the new law, the city can require vendors to get a permit to sell certain categories of goods that are frequently stolen, to be determined by the Board of Supervisors. The first time a person is caught selling illegal goods, Public Works would issue a written warning. But after that, law enforcement could get involved. The second violation would mean a fine. The third time, the punishment could be elevated to a misdemeanor, which could mean up to 6 months in jail.
This law protects legitimate vendors. It supports those who work hard and play by the rules.
William agrees. He knows it will take the city a little time to fully step up enforcing this new law, but he told me he truly believes it will help to stop illegal vending in the neighborhood he loves so much.
Look, our street vendors, they're not selling shampoo stolen from Walgreens. I mean, once you start being aware that you cannot sell the toothpaste, the Tide Pods, your business model for fencing is going to deplete.
The city says it is working now to set up a database to track illegal vending in the city. It hopes to have the program approved and up and running in full force by the beginning of next year.